Okay, so there's a beautiful view of our MIRAGE resort here in Benoa Nusa Dua. Okay, so there's a closer view on the MIRAGE. Back there, impressive looking building. Wow. Some beautiful seating areas here also. It's a beautiful swimming pool down below. Wow. All very similar seating, all the resort areas. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone past 10 AM. I'm here in the Benoa Nusa Dua area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour here in Benoa. So the beach walking tour that's going to be featured in today's video, there's a very nice collection of 5-star resorts in this area. My starting point is going to be from the MIRAGE resort, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the NIKKO resort. As I'm walking along the back of the track at the back of the beach here, I'm going to take in all of the resort accommodation, show you as much as I can. I'm also going to give you a bird's eye view using the drone to take you up and show you hopefully the swimming pool areas, all of the resorts, give you some idea of the facilities out here on the beachfront also, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this beach location here in the Benoa Nusa Dua area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Benoa. Okay, so there's a beautiful view of our MIRAGE resort here in Benoa Nusa Dua. How beautiful is that? Beautiful beach, beautiful ocean, promenade sticking out into the ocean there. We'll just give you a pan to this side first of all. Some water activities in the ocean there. Jet ski going in the ocean. I'll just pan you back on the other direction now. Wow, stunning, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so there's a closer view on the MIRAGE. Try and zoom in, capture the swimming pool. Okay, so this is going to be my start point today. So this is a little promenade with the gazebo on there, just looking out into the ocean, beautiful ocean. Just in this direction is a big warship in the distance there. This is where all the water sports and things are located, in this direction. There's the MIRAGE in the back here, beautiful beach location, white sand beach, wow. Some water sports activities also in the ocean here. So we'll just start walking. So some of the rooms and things are in the back there. We'll just walk over the grass because we can't get too close to the rooms. It looks very beautiful. Beautiful seating areas as well, very authentic. Wow, look at that, nice. One of the pathways leading into the MIRAGE. Sprinklers going here. Some sellers on the beach here selling a lady a sarong. Some beautiful sun lounges also. Synthetic, yes, plastic sun lounges, looks like, soft cushion tops. Beautiful beach location, wow. Some people out in the ocean there. Okay, so just from the beach, so this is the swimming pool that we've just seen from the drone above. There's actually water going around the side of the swimming pool as well here. People are sat in there, don't want to invade the privacy. Some just up there also. feel of class and high-end Bali here. Very, very beautiful. The track here. It's the name of the restaurant, Jungkong Seafood and Grill, Grand Mirage. It's in the back there. Impressive looking building. Wow. Some beautiful seating areas here also. So nice. Just see if we can take you up and show you those seating areas a little bit closer. Grand Mirage. Here with very, very nice. Just from that area now we'll continue walking. Some more information there. Directions. It's a fabulous looking resort this. I'm pretty sure it's 5-star. This is just beautiful. Wow. Lasso Bali. Little basketball court here. Some tourists walking along the track here. It's your basketball court. Another little seating area on the beach there. This is your water sports centre for all of your water sports activities. Oh, so here's all of the water sports activities available here. Many different things available. A few cellars as well here. Clothes, handbags, things for the kids, buckets and spades, inflatables. This is a car parking area if you just want to visit this beach. I'm just parked in there. Beautiful fishing boats out in the ocean there. Some more cellars at the back of the beach here. Some more tourists here as well. Find some shells and things there. Some paintings here. Some nice artwork. A restaurant here called Chopstick Restaurant. Some nice hammock lounges there. Old kids play area also. Oh, that must be a oh, you have some sand beach toys as well there for the kids. It's another Grand Mirage area that we'll have to take the drone up, I think, and maybe give you a view of that. Okay, so we just had a look from above. There's no good view with the drone because there's trees over the swimming pool area, so we'll just continue walking. Some little clothing shops here again. Another place in the back here. Not sure whether this is a separate hotel to the Grand Mirage. Another small swimming pool here, some guests there. From that swimming pool there, we'll just continue walking. So this is like a water sports activity centre area here. Maybe doubling up as a warung or restaurant as well. There's all of the jet skis and things here. How are you? So I think this is the next accommodation now here. Not familiar with this area. Wow, nice looking restaurant. Look at that. So beautiful. Some very beautiful seating in there. This is called Santai Beach House. Sitting areas and a swimming pool in the back there. And the hammocks and things as well. Nice looking area. So there's a beautiful view from the Santai from above. Not sure whether this is I think it must be an accommodation this. It's very beautiful. Close up view. Very beautiful looking swimming pool that. Just bring you across gradually. There's a beautiful swimming pool down below. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so we just had a look at the beautiful Santai swimming pool area. Another promenade with a gazebo out on the ocean there. Some very beautiful seating areas here. Oh, SADARA Resorts, not Santai. I'm sure it said Santai up there, but SADARA Resorts. Some more little clothes sellers and things here now. Okay, so we're in the next section now. I'm not sure whether they've got another looks as though we have another accommodation coming up. Beautiful water lily ones here. Oh wow, that looks nice. Some more sellers here. Oh, here's another accommodation here now. All very similar seating, all the resort areas here. All natural seating. Reef Bar, this is called. Peninsula Beach Resort. Can't see it, the screen is a bit tarnished. Nice beach area here as well. Wow, nice. Some tourists just relaxing in the shade there. I'll take the drone up and give you a view of the swimming pool. Okay, just continuing on from the peninsula now. Very beautiful place again there. Looks as though we've got another place here next door again. Wow. Hello. Oh, we have a massage lady there, just hiding in secret. Nice bar area here. Hello. Not sure what this place is called. Sent back there, we'll have to maybe take the drone up to get a view of this. The swimming pool I think is hidden. Some nice seating again. So there's tourists in this location. Nice seating on the beach as well. Just head over to this area here and then we'll take the drone up. Okay, so there's a beautiful beachfront outside of the NIKKO Bali. Very nice place. Unfortunately, the swimming pool is currently under renovation, so we'll just bring you a little bit closer in, but I'm not going to go over the swimming pool because it's not fair to the resort. It's just under construction, but you can see it's going to be a nice shaped big swimming pool. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach stroll here in Benoa Nusa Dua. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, we got a fabulous collection of beach resorts here in this location, fabulous facilities on offer, some beautiful looking swimming pools, fabulous beach locations, also some authentic, beautiful, relaxing seating areas at each and every resort, beautiful ocean also, got restaurant facilities on offer at all of the resort facilities that look absolutely magnificent, massage and spa on the beach. We've got a few tourist good shops also. What more could you want for the perfect holiday stay here in the Benoa Nusa Dua area, Bali? So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.